everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing and checking out these brand new hearing aids from Signia. Huge thanks to Signia for sending these to me to try and review. So let's go ahead and unbox them and see what we got. I am so excited about this. I don't know what they look like. I really don't know much about them. I know that this plastic is very hard to open though, apparently. I've been waiting a few days to do this, so I couldn't be more pumped. There we go, there we go. All right, so they sent me the streamer, which is awesome. That's a very helpful device. And the big reveal. Here it is, the big reveal. Vroom. Okay, I thought maybe there'd be a picture on it of it, so I thought maybe that was the big reveal, but maybe this is the big reveal. Here we go. Vroom. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't even see it. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. I always love these boxes. I always love the marketing of Signia. I think they do a really good job. Look at this, like magnetic box right there. Big fan of that. Whoever does these boxes, kudos to you, because these are always solid. Such a strange thing to be excited about, but I am. All right. Okay, so right off the bat, just looking at these click sleeves, they are different. So this is for sure going to be a different kind of hearing aid. We're used to I think I have some right here. Hopefully you can kind of see the difference in this camera right here. These are the standard ones. This is what we're doing today. So I'm pumped. Let's go. Another nice little bag. Some more click sleeves. Oh, click sleeves. The other ones are called click domes. Tons of click sleeves. All right, we should be good to go on the click sleeves. And here we go. So here's kind of a first picture of it. Very much like a trendy Bluetooth style. Some directions. Yeah, we'll look at those if we need them. Oh, way more directions. A lot of directions in here. All right, all right. They do not. Yeah, plenty of directions. Close that box. Put it aside. Oh, I'm so excited, but like also nervous for some reason. Oh, I'm pumped. Here we go. Gonna open them up. Signia. So obviously it looks like it's gonna come with a rechargeable case, which is always clutch. If you're not on that rechargeable case game, you got to get on that. Look at this. That is sleek. That's one word that I always use to describe Signia products is sleek. We got that USB-C charger because we are with the times. I'm guessing the hearing aids are actually in the case. Oh, microfiber cloth, charger, more directions that I'll probably never use. Nah, maybe I'll use them. Okay, here we go, here we go. I'm gonna show them to the camera first. Now I'm gonna look at them. Oh yeah, they are sharp. They're, I don't even know how to put these in. These are so much different than like any other hearing aid. I'll give you I think they do this with like makeup tutorials. Oh wait, why do I know about makeup tutorials? Where they like hold it behind the hand, let you see it. Oh wow, oh, okay, all right. This is right, I can tell because it says R. This is so different. I should have like a mirror. Oh, I can already hear. Wow, that's nice. Oh yeah, this is, I actually didn't know it was going to be on when I put it in my ear. Number 2 going in. Actually, it's, wow, I am loud. Am I always this loud? Wow. They are really cool. Right off the bat, that is surprising how how clear that is. Now these did come custom tweaked to myself. Big thanks to, again, thanks to Signia, working with my local audiologist to be able to make this happen. And wow, it's kind of amazing. It's really amazing. I wish I knew what I looked like. I can't see myself. I should have brought a mirror. What am I doing? All right, I'm gonna get out my phone real quick. Take a picture of that. Oh yeah. I look trendy. Send that to my wife real quick. She's gonna want to see it for sure. Sent. All black. You guys know how to make cool stuff. I'm telling you, like, I purposely didn't want to know what these looked like. I might have seen an ad and I like swiped through real quick. I was like, I don't want to see it. I want to be so surprised. But like, I didn't know which way you were gonna go with it. But I was also like, you know, Signia just makes sweet designs, so I wasn't worried like that they were gonna. Oh, these are so cool. They are so cool. Like, I'm impressed. I'm already impressed. I can't wait to try them out over the next few days and really give you guys the rest of the review. But so far, I'm impressed. Sweet style, sweet sound. Although maybe I should be a little more quiet. Anyway, oh, they sound so cool. These are so cool. I can't wait to show my friends. But all right, that's my official unboxing, first impressions. I love this case. It's really got some substance to it. Rechargeable. They're pretty awesome. I'm impressed. Thanks so much, Signia.